Number 5. Giraffe vs. Lion. While it's common for lions to hunt in packs, this one particular lion appears to be single-handedly hunting for this giraffe. You might expect that this giraffe would easily be beaten by the king of the jungle, but in a shocking turn of events, the giraffe was able to use its long legs to stop the lion, causing it to win the fight. The giraffe manages to smash the lion into the ground and was able to kick it a total of 8 times. Number 4. Lion vs. Zebra. Lions are said to be king of the jungle, and their pride exerts authority over lesser beasts. Yet at times, their authority is challenged. In this next video, a lioness tries to take down a zebra, but the zebra apparently isn't going down without a fight. The lioness bites the zebra's neck to crush its windpipe and sever major arteries. The battle now seems hopeless, and the zebra tries to hang on to its life. However, the zebra started to turn the tables when it meanders into the nearby river. The zebra heads onto deeper water and tries to drown the lioness. The lioness releases her grip and the zebra runs away. The lioness then tries to chase the zebra down in vain. Number 3. Zebra vs. Crocodiles. A zoo of zebras was caught on camera crossing a river in Africa. Unbeknownst to them, a batch of crocodiles are sneakily hiding under the water in search for their next meal. Several zebras was able to cross the river to safety, until this one unlucky zebra was caught in the mouth of a hungry crocodile.
Oh my god! He's got one! Oh my god!
The other crocodiles started to attack the helpless animal, tearing it apart, as its fellow zebras, startled, started to run to safety.
Go on, Zeb! Go on, Zeb!
Number 2. Crocodile vs. Snake. This 5-hour battle of a snake and a crocodile concluded with a 10-foot snake constricting it to death and dragging it to the shore to be eaten alive. This incident was captured on camera by Tiffany Cordes at Lake Mundara in Queensland, Australia. Cordes said that they were enjoying breakfast when a group of canoeists alerted her of the fight. When we reached the water's edge, the snake had wrapped itself around the croc and was tightening. The croc was still alive at this stage and was fighting to keep its head above water, she says. And for our number 1 craziest animal fight caught on camera, snake vs. squirrel. If you are expecting that this bull snake will easily squeeze the life out of this ground squirrel, you'd be wrong. While it is unclear why the two creatures are fighting in the first place, it is possible that the squirrel is protecting its young nearby, or the snake could just be defending its territory. Well, the snake chose the wrong squirrel to mess with. The fight ended with the snake being wounded the most. You can see this bloody snake retreating while this badass squirrel is still trying to hold the forward down. One thing I've learned from this: never mess with a squirrel.